As transitional rules can be complex, we curated a series of transition scenario videos to prepare you for the 8% GST rate change effective 1st January 2023. GST Transitional Scenario 2. Partial payment of $200 received before rate change. $1,000 worth of goods delivered before rate change. Partial payment of $800 received after rate change. Invoice of $1,000 issued after rate change. In this scenario, you will have 3 options to record the payments received. First option is to create one invoice of $200 with 7% GST for the payment received before the rate change. Another invoice of $800 with 8% GST rate for the payment received after the rate changed. Alternatively, you can issue an invoice to charge 7% on the $200 and 8% on the $800 in separate line items, as shown on screen. Don't forget to apply the relevant tax code accordingly. For the third option, you can issue an invoice with 7% GST on the total $1,000 as the goods are fully delivered before 1st January 2023. This is listed in the e-tax guide shared by IRAS. In this case, you can record the full amount as shown on the screen. Thank you for watching this video.